Build anything with Grok 4.2 plus Claude Sonnet 4.6. Today, I'm going to show you two brand new AI tools that just dropped this week. And when you combine them together, you can build literally anything. Landing pages, games, full websites, no coding skills needed. This is going to change everything. So right now, two of the biggest AI updates just happened at the same time. We got Claude Sonnet 4.6 from Anthropic, and we got Grok 4.2 from XAI. And here's what's wild. When you use them together, you basically have a free dev team sitting on your laptop. Let's start with Claude Sonnet 4.6, and it's a massive upgrade. The coding skills are way better than before, the reasoning is sharper, it hallucinates less, and here's the crazy part, it now has a context window of up to 1 million tokens in beta. That means you can feed it an entire project, an entire code base, an entire book, and it holds all of it in its brain at once. No more losing track of what you told it 5 messages ago. That alone is a game changer for anyone building stuff with AI, and the speed is insane. It responds faster than older versions while giving you better quality answers. So you're not sitting there waiting around. You ask it something, it comes back quick, and the output is actually good. That almost never happens with AI upgrades. Usually you trade speed for quality or quality for speed. Not this time, you get both. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Claude Sonnet 4.6 is incredible at planning. It's incredible at research. It's incredible at thinking through problems step by step. But when it comes to raw code generation, especially for quick builds, Grok 4.2 has some serious firepower too. Grok 4.2 just hit public beta. It's getting weekly updates. The coding abilities are improved, the multimodal stuff is improved, and there are reports from the community that it uses multiple internal agents working together behind the scenes to give you richer, more detailed outputs. Think of it like a little team inside the model, collaborating on your request. That's wild, and it keeps getting better every single week because they're pushing updates that fast. Okay, so now you know what these two models can do on their own, but the real magic happens when you combine them. Let me show you exactly how. Workflow number 1. Building a landing page from scratch, no code, no designer, just 2 AI models and a browser. Step 1, you go to Claude Sonnet 4.6 and you give it a prompt like this. Research the top landing page trends for AI tools in 2026. Give me layout ideas, a color palette, headline options, and section flow. Claude is going to come back with a full plan. Headlines, sub-headlines, color codes, section order, call to action ideas. The whole thing is basically your strategist and your copywriter rolled into one. And because of that massive 1 million token context window, you can feed it your brand guidelines, your existing website copy, your competitor examples, all in one go. It holds everything in memory and gives you answers that actually fit your brand. No more going back and forth 10 times trying to get it to understand what you want. You give it everything up front. It gets it the first time. Step 2, you take that plan and you feed it to Grok 4.2. You say, create a responsive HTML and CSS landing page using these sections, this copy, and this color palette, and Grok spits out working code, real code, that you can open in a browser and it actually looks good. I'm not talking about some broken mess. I'm talking about a functional, clean landing page. And here's what makes Grok 4.2 special for this part. Those internal agents working behind the scenes mean it doesn't just slap some code together. It thinks about structure. It thinks about responsiveness. It adds proper classes and clean formatting. So when you open that HTML file in your browser, it actually looks like something a real developer would build, not some AI slop. Step 3, you take that code back to Claude. You say, review this code, fix any UI bugs, improve button responsiveness, and suggest SEO meta tags. Claude polishes it up, finds the little issues, adds the finishing touches, and now you have a landing page that looks like a professional built it. And this is where Claude's reasoning really shines. It doesn't just find bugs, it explains why they're bugs, it tells you what was wrong and what the fix does. So you're actually learning while you build. Every time you run through this workflow, you get a little smarter about how code works. Total time for this whole process, maybe 20 minutes, no Figma, no Webflow, no developer, just 2 AI tools working together. Now, if you want to go even deeper with workflows like this, and you want to learn how to use AI to actually scale your business and get more customers, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. Number 2, building a simple browser game. Yes, a game with no coding experience. Step 1, go to Claude Sonnet 4.6, prompt it like this. Design a simple browser game in JavaScript where a character collects coins. Give me the game flow, the sprite list, the score logic, and the structure. Claude is going to lay out the whole blueprint. What happens when the game starts, how the player moves, how the score works, what triggers game over, everything planned out, clean and clear. And it doesn't just give you a vague outline, it gives you a real plan with real logic, like when the player touches a coin, remove the coin from the screen, add 10 to the score, and check if all coins are collected. That level of detail means when you hand it off to Grok, Grok knows exactly what to build. No guessing, no confusion. That's the power of using Claude as your planner. Step 2, take that plan to Grok 4.2. Say, write the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript based on this game plan. Grok builds the files, adds comments in the code so you can actually understand what's happening. And when you open it in your browser, you've got a playable game, a real game that you built in like 15 minutes with zero coding knowledge. And the comments Grok adds in the code are actually helpful. They're not just random notes. They explain what each section does in plain English. So if you want to tweak something later, like change the speed of the character or add a new power up, you can actually find the right spot in the code and change it yourself. That's huge. You're not just getting a finished product. You're getting something you can customize and make your own. Step 3, back to Claude. Say, find bugs in this code and optimize it for mobile screens. Claude scans the whole thing, finds the issues, suggests fixes, you paste them in, done. You now have a working mobile-friendly browser game. And Claude doesn't just say, here's a fix. It walks you through what was broken and why. Maybe the character was moving off screen on smaller devices. Maybe the collision detection was slightly off. Claude catches all of that and gives you the exact lines of code to change. It's like having a senior developer review your work for free. This is the pattern. Claude plans, Grok builds, Claude polishes. That's the workflow. And you can use it for almost anything. Websites, tools, apps, automations, content systems. The possibilities are honestly endless right now. Now, here's what I want you to understand. We are at a point in AI where the tools are this powerful and this easy to access. Claude Sonnet 4.6 is available on free and pro plans. Grok 4.2 is in public beta. You don't need to spend years learning to code from scratch to build something real. You just need to know how to prompt these models the right way and combine them in smart workflows. That's the skill that matters now. And that skill is going to be worth more and more as these models keep getting better every single month. So the question is, what are you going to build first? A landing page for your business, a tool for your team, a game just for fun? Whatever it is, you now have the exact workflow to do it. Claude plans, Grok builds, Claude polishes. Simple as that. Now, if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, check out the AI Profit Boardroom.